Hello everyone, welcome to Easy to Educate. This is the fourth part of the video series of how to introduce phonic sound to your kids. If you haven't watched the first part, second part and the third part of the series, please watch. The link is in the description box below. This video will cover the sounds of last 7 alphabets. They are T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. At the same time, your kid will learn to draw simple related pictures. Out of these 7 letters, only one is the vowel, which is U, and it has both long and short sound. Let us get into the video. Letter T sounds as T, T, tree, T, tap, T, top, tree, tap, top. The next letter is a vowel and it sounds as U as direct sound, U uniform, A is the indirect sound of U, umbrella, up arrow, up arrow or upstairs. Next letter is V. V sounds as violin, van, vase, violin, van, vase. The next letter is W. It sounds as watch, watermelon, water, watch, watermelon and water. Next letter is X. It sounds as xylophone, box. In box, the last letter is X and it sounds as X-ray. Next letter is Y. It sounds as yacht, yo-yo, yarn. Letter Y sounds as ya. Last letter is Z. Z. It sounds as Z. Zebra crossing, zigzag, zoo. Other than learning phonic sound of these 26 alphabets, this series helped in drawing 78 simple related pictures of those alphabets. Thank you for watching.